Frugal people aren't just lucky with money. They're strategic and intentional with every pound. They don't earn millions or win lotteries, but they keep more than broke people. Meanwhile, broke people earn and lose fast. They're stuck in a cycle of spending. So what's the big difference here? It's not just what frugal people do, it's what they never do with money. If you want to stop being broke, stop copying what broke people are doing. Let's reveal 7 money mistakes frugal people avoid. These could be silently draining your wallet. 1. They never spend without a plan. Frugal people never buy without a budget. They plan how every dollar is used. Broke people spend based on feelings, not facts. Example: 3 $30 dinners each week. That's $90 weekly, $4,600 yearly. Frugal people plan their meals in advance. They avoid surprise spending that wrecks budgets. 2. They never rely on credit to survive. Frugal people don't live on credit cards. They use them for points or cash back. Broke people use them to cover gaps. A 200-pound grocery bill with 20% APR. That adds over 40 pounds in interest yearly. Frugal people pay their balances in full, or they stick to debit and cash. 3. They never buy just because it's on sale. Frugal people don't fall for discount tricks. They ask, "Would I buy this anyway?" Broke people buy because it's a great deal. But saving 70% still means you spent. If it wasn't needed, it's a loss. Frugal people value purpose over impulse. 4. They never ignore small daily expenses. Frugal people pay attention to tiny leaks. Broke people ignore just $5 and lose more. Example: Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime together. That's $35 monthly, $420 yearly wasted. Frugal people cancel what they don't use. They review subscriptions every single month. 5. They never keep all money in one place. Frugal people split their money into buckets. Broke people keep everything in one account. Bills come and everything disappears instantly. Frugal people divide money by purpose. One for bills, one for emergencies, one for savings or future expenses. It keeps them calm when surprises come. 6. They never finance. Fun with debt. Frugal people don't borrow for fun stuff. They save, then buy with peace of mind. Broke people finance vacations and luxury items. A $2,000 trip could cost $2,400 total, all thanks to loan or card interest. Frugal people enjoy after saving, not before. 7. They never try to impress others. Frugal people don't chase validation with money. They skip designer clothes and flashy cars. They drive used cars proudly and shop smart. Broke people overspend to look successful. Frugal people underspend to become successful. They live quiet, peaceful, debt-free lives. Being rich isn't about looking rich. Final words. Want to stop being broke? Stop doing what broke people keep doing. Avoid emotional spending and random credit usage. Plan your money like your future depends on it, because it does. Frugal living is not a punishment. It's the path to real financial freedom. Like this video? Tap that like button. Subscribe for weekly money-saving habits. And share this with someone overspending today. Your freedom starts with small, smart habits. Don't wait. Start living frugally now.